Hello, my name is Hesham Burney. I am a junior student of mechanical engineering at Gebze Technical University. I really like mechanical engineering for two simple reasons. The first reason is that it has math and physics in it, which are both subjects I really like. The second reason is that it's a very interdisciplinary field. You can branch off into mass and heat flow. You can work on composite materials. You can work on fluid and aerodynamics, or even robotics, system dynamics and control. Or you can even work with people from other fields, such as bioengineering and chemical engineers. I had already made up the mind that I was going to become a academician even before I received my high school diploma. And this thought was even more strengthened when I started my undergraduate studies. I really enjoy the proofs, which is not something most people like. I like to do proofs. I like to study all the theoretical information from textbooks. It's all very enjoyable for me, and I'd like to finish my bachelor degree as soon as possible so I can move on to my postgraduate studies. I am a very challenging student. I am a very challenging student. And when I say challenging, I don't mean it in the sense that I struggle to understand things. I mean it more so in the sense that I challenge my teachers, my lecturers, my professors. And you can ask any one of them this, and they'll all give you the same answer. So let's say, for example, there's a law that or an assumption that we're using in our analysis. And it could be a century-old law. But if there's a slightest bit of suspicion in my mind about it, something small that just doesn't sit right with me, I will not stop bugging you until you answer my question, until that doubt has been completely cleared from my mind to satisfaction. The other thing about me is that I really like optimization, and I don't just mean the computational type, but I also mean it in the way that what is the best manner to complete a task, a job, with respect to time, with respect to cost, with respect to energy and effort. Let's say, for example, you asked me to bring a flask from that laboratory. In my mind, I will calculate how many paths lead to that laboratory, how many obstacles are on that path. Should I use the stairs or the elevator? How many flights of stairs are there? Should I use the east entrance or the west entrance? I will do all of these calculations in my mind before I set off to do the job. And the thing is, I was already familiar with the University of Purdue even before I heard of the SURF internship program. I was doing some research on rocket engines when the names Morris Zucrow, Robert D. Heister, Jonathan D. Hoffman, and so many more, and they just kept coming up again and again. And when I did some research into the background of all of these talented people, they all had one thing in common. They were all graduates of the University of Purdue. And I thought to myself that if you have so many talented people coming from the same place, then there's something special going on in Indiana. And I hope I will get the opportunity to showcase the best of my skills and capabilities to you at the University of Purdue in Indiana as part of my SURF internship. Thank you, and I hope to see you on campus.